People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now I know you wasn't expecting this one. Just like Nicodemus in the night. Right? Now people, I'm gonna talk about the sad case down there in Portland surrounding JDF member by the name of Lexton Clayton. It was a female, her boyfriend Kimani Taylor, and their 2-year-old son Tyler. Right? They were found in a car badly burnt up. Now before I go into that, people, I have a big video dropping tomorrow. Just putting that out there. This is surrounding the whole Pablo, Dan and Meech and all these things. So you want to tune in tomorrow morning, people. You don't know, 7:15, bright and early. Right? Now let's get into this case. Because you see, one thing you have to understand. When the dust settles, that's when the people them who really about this life will still be left standing. Because we're going through a clout phase right now. You know, the foreign people call it clout chasing. As far as I'm concerned, I'll stick to the Jamaican saying, enough them enough. Right now you're seeing all kind of people pour out them heart and claim to them heart are bleed for them people and them people are, I'm gonna be honest right now because that's all I can be. Most of them enough them enough. Enough of them people, them see an opportunity, them see a wave and them ride it. But as that hype start to dead down, and people start to go about them life, these are the cases we're going to be hearing more on a day-to-day basis because these are the cases that Jamaicans face every single day. Now, when I first heard the incident took place in Portland, the first thing came to my mind was man and woman affairs. For those of you who don't know, Portland, the parish with the lowest crime rate in Jamaica, the parish that is a complete anomaly, right? At this point, Portland might as well break off and go become their own country because when it comes down to crime and everything, they totally have it under control, right? And I fear that one day they might end up being contaminated like the other parishes, right? But when you hear say man lose them life in Portland, 9 times out of 10 is domestic affairs. 9 times out of 10 some kind of personal thing or I mean like what you call it, crime of passion or something like that, right? Now we're hearing that again Lexton Clayton, female member of the JDF, our boyfriend and a 2-year-old son is no longer with us. Now one of the news reports I checked out said that they're actually leaning towards the theory that the man actually took Lexton Clayton's life and the little boy's life and then his own, right? That is one of the theories that I see out there. Now, so far, obviously, nothing has come out to confirm that because me even I say forensics have to go do to identify them and all these things, right? Because obviously, they badly burned. But I'm not going to jump on the motive yet. I'm not going to say, listen, yes, this is a case of the guy coronavirus and the man shouldn't do this and because I want to make sure say it confirmed before I go down that road, right? Because especially considering the way how they lost their lives, car burn up and find all 3 in a car. Well, let's just say it's not a common way for people to take them life and take them partner life, right? It's not a common way, but it is possible, right? So it can be done. It's not like say it's impossible for him pull it off, right? But what more people realize is this. Now that the Big C hype is dying down, right? And them I say, listen, go on back at work, right? We have opened up a study thing, go deal with it, right? So the Big C is no longer overshadowing certain things in Jamaica because for months it was overshadowing enough problems we were having in Jamaica. See, now we've also say the little social media clout chasing are enough type of people them who did a show low up on top of them voice by the internet by Wednesday next week, then people are gone. I'm just putting that out there right now because I know people are years me I study me, years me I watch what them people are working. By Wednesday, this Wednesday coming up, then gone. So you see when them people are gone now and the smoke clear, now we can start go back to what we do, which is calling out, right, some of the foolishness what go down, especially as it relates not just to crime and violence in general, but domestic affairs, right? Now, JDF again features in this story, but this time it's the reverse. Normally, or we've seen a few incidents where the JDF man come and catch him woman in a certain position, or the JDF man get him heart broken and shoot woman, shoot self and all kind of foolishness. This time it's different. This is actually a unique case. This is a JDF woman, right, getting taken out, right, allegedly by fear man, and even the little 2-year-old, gone. People wanting to see the cruelty, and of course you don't know, because this is a JDF soldier getting killed and not accidentally killing somebody. Don't worry yourself, the enough mafia will not be out for this one. I'm sure they'll be them too busy to look at foreign right now. Right? Then probably them, by tomorrow morning they forget about the case. But we have to talk about it, because as I said, it's very unusual that a female member of the JDF is the one that caught up in this, and she's the one who is actually the victim in these circumstances. Right? Now, I could touch upon the not just this case but in general. The trend is disturbing. Man and woman are problem, and again, I can't confirm if that is what happened in this case, because them say suspected, right? Them suspects are a man take her out. But me talk in general now about Jamaica. Me start to realize over and over we're seeing man and woman are problem, and all pitney enough down a Duff Cat. Now, some people can try and rationalize and say, well, sir, P, the man do all this, the man invest too much millions of shillings into her, and then the man find out that she have one next man, or the man find out she left where you want. People say them things. People say those things in my comment section. Right? Okay. To you people who say that, here is my question to you. How wanna justify the pitney them? How justify the pitney them? What the pitney game born to? The 2-year-old left him to? The 1-year-old left him to? Listen, we not co-sign the foolishness now. This is why you cannot co-sign certain foolishness, because once you give a little leeway, once you give them an inch, they might take a mile. Right? You can't give no leeway on these kind of domestic affairs. Tell me, what the pitney do? What? This is the part that baffles me the most now. When the man them fall out to them woman and take all the pitney them like 2-year-old? 2-year-old? Listen, I'm telling you, I don't know what kind of food them man ya eat. Right? I don't know what them a drink. I don't know what kind of show them a watch. I don't know what them a consume. But them man ya take things on a dark part. We talk about family, you know. This is not a straight. What is the logic behind this? But then again, I've said it many times, these people don't operate on logic. Because I'm thinking to myself, when I try to get rid of the image, come on, at least left the pitney dog. Yo, the man them out there. Since he decides that we don't want to take food in life, and no other man can get my woman. If me can't get her, nobody else can get her. But surely, only can left the pitney them dog. Only can left the pitney them. Whatever una woman want have and una man want have, because we have our next case the other day with woman dash oil per man. Listen, we don't have any domestic affairs. Leave the pitney them out on the foolishness. I talk to the Jamaican. I talk to the Jamaican who every domestic affair, every domestic issue have to lead to somebody get sliced up, shoot up, all kind of foolishness. Fine. Since in the head after everybody else, what me I beg on? Leave the pitney them out on the foolishness. Right? Leave them out on the foolishness. At least give them a fighting chance in their life. Right? It's bad enough say I go take with their mother and their father. At least let the pitney them. Make one relative where have good intent. Make one granny come go them or something. But the pitney them dog. The pitney them. I'm sure if it actually turn out say it's a case of the man take the woman life or something like that, probably some local voice don't go probably leak and you go hear say, oh she did do this and she do that. That now nothing to do with one right there. So I tell the man them, right? Stop invest on the money in a airy bank. Right? When you put everything in a woman and then when time it no work out, you don't want to come dash a woman, dash a man and burn up car and burn down house and fire 10,000 shit. Listen, brother, you need to get a grip on yourself and stop go like we don't understand. Stop invest in an area bank. No matter what the issue is, dog, it not worth it. This way you see right here, so nothing no worth it. Nothing wrong between you and her, no worth this. Stop make people give you the justifications and rationalize. Yeah, but suppose she dog. If a bun you get, welcome to the club. If a bun you get, welcome to the club. If I left should have left you, welcome to the club. See, some man love going like say them special. That me realizing now. Enough man feel say them special parent. Where them for be the only man and no woman never left yet. Them for be the only man never get born yet. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Don't be foolish. No matter what, and I've heard all the excuses. Suppose the man give her money and well, I am give her. I tell you, Erie Bank is not the same as Barita. Erie Bank is not the same as Mayberry Investment. It's not an NCB and them in there. Put on X amount and it multiply and turn X amount. No. If you want to take up and give, you have to put it in the back of your mind so you not get back nothing. That's how them things work. And if you can't afford to be that last, don't give none. Simple as that. So I don't want you an excuse. Come out down the road. Right? If it turn out, say I really into the woman like me don't want to hear it, because she did this then suppose she did this, you can't go so. The man him for wise up. Me can't believe we still have to cover cases like this. And as me say, the pitney dog, 2-year-old, owner from listen. This is ridiculous. As me say, and matter of fact, anybody who come in the comment section and come try to tell me about, then suppose she give the man, I gotta just get rid of you, dog. Me tell you I seen those comments now. One time I used to see it and I just respond to it in another video, but now, sorry, I forget rid of that completely now. I can't tolerate no more. The man them love rationalize them thing here. And suppose she want left the man give her everything and she want left the man. I gotta just deport him. Seriously. Right, we tell you that now. Right. We tell you that this thing getting out of hand. Right. Woman, pitney, man, gone. That's a whole family. That's an entire family gone, Dovecot, and for what?